Hey chat, good afternoon. I don't even know how to start, but it is Monday, June 1st. Happy June 1st. And I'm currently in the middle of a project. I found this dresser situation out in the hallway last night when I came in, and someone was sitting outside. And I asked him, like, oh, hey, do you know if they're giving this away? And he said, yes, I'm giving it away. So I was like, oh, great. Can I have it? He said, yep. And he brought it up to my apartment door, and I brought it inside. And now I have a cabinet situation, which I low key was looking on Amazon to find like a storage locker so I could put right here where the cat's things are, because I want to move that tree. I don't think, like, great, they had their little play section, but that's not where it was. It was never going to be there permanently. I can move it wherever so they can use their cat tree, but I really need to put storage there for linen. Great. So now what I'm doing is I want to paint it. Where's the paint at? I want to paint it this color. I was looking for like a storage cabinet. I was going to either do a blue or like this red, like this perfect red color. And I already have the paint. So these are the colors that I went to Home Depot to look at. These two. Ooh. And I have this unit here, like this little cubby that I got from Target a long time ago, and it has some stuff here, but it's for different storage. Like, it's open, so I don't want to put my linen there. I have cats, cat hair, dust. I don't want any dust or lint to get on the fresh, clean linen. So I don't want to put the linen there, but I can use it for other type of storage. Shoes, baskets, just miscellaneous things can go under there, and that's what's there now. Right now, there's a crate, and it has like my bath mats in, like my shower mats, which is fine. Cool. I don't care. I'm going to be walking on those anyway, so it's not a big deal. And then like other just miscellaneous things. Great. So it's being used what it needs to be used for. But I think I want to get this blue paint, because last time I went to Home Depot, I did buy this red paint. I have a small jar of it because I wanted to paint this mirror red, which I started doing, and then I ended up not liking it. Like, I don't want it to be red. I might end up painting it red after I paint this cabinet so it can kind of like match. But I don't know. I kind of want to paint it striped, like black and white stripes. I bought black paint, which is somewhere over there, and I also bought white paint, but like acrylic paint, not like furniture or like Home Depot paint. And I feel like the acrylic paint would be perfectly fine to paint the mirror. It's not a big deal. But yeah, I think I want to paint that striped. I think it would be really cool. And then I still want to get this blue paint so I can finish painting that white thing. I wanted to do this peel and stick tile, but they only had 2 rolls. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. This peel and stick tile, so it can look like peel and stick paper. I don't know. Wallpaper, peel and stick. But they ran out, and the place that I got it from, they don't have anymore. And I thought it would look really cool if it was tiled. And I thought 2 rolls would be enough, and 2 rolls was not enough. So I was able to do the top and the front, which is fine. That's where you're gonna see it for the most part. But the sides need to be painted, and I think that I can paint it this blue, and I think it will kind of just mesh nicely. So that's the plan. I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get this blue paint, and then I'm gonna paint this cabinet red. So it, and the way that it's kind of set up is like it has like these handles and this lock. I think if I paint it right, it will look like a locker. You know, see what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna still get the locker without paying for the locker. So yeah, I started sanding it down. I started the top, and I started like this side of the door. I don't have sanding paper, but I have old nail files and sandpaper. This is sandpaper. So I'm using these old nail files to sand it down, and it's working nicely. As you can see, it's sanding it really nice. Period. And then I'm gonna wipe it down and paint it. I said all of that to say I'm sanding this down so I can paint it. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. This is just here temporarily. I'm gonna figure out where to put their cat tree, but for now, that's where it stays. That is the chest, and on the opposite side is that, and I think it looks a little better. I can paint the inside, I just wasn't in the mood for it, so this is how it's gonna look for now. And now I'm gonna put this metal board up there, and you're gonna watch me do it. I'm just gonna put you guys here. Where am I gonna put you guys? I guess here. Hold on. Right here she'll do. And let me get it. I'm just gonna put the command strips on it and then put it on the wall. So oh, you guys couldn't see this whole time. Okay, let me just show you. And that's her. She's cute. Ignore the cat tree, but aside from that, she's really cute with the magnets. And then I can always print art and put some stuff up here, print photos with me and my friends, which I'm actually gonna do in a bit. I'm gonna print some photos, and just so I can fill it in a little bit. And that's her. Hey chat, long time no see. Honestly, after that Grand Canyon vlog, I don't know, I'm like getting wrapped up in my head with views on YouTube and forgetting that I like to just post for myself. So here we are. Like, get out of your head, girl. Who cares if you get 5, 10, 15 views? I really don't have any plans for today. Maybe I'll go grab like a little drinky drink. But where though? I can find somewhere in Montclair. The thing is, parking just might be hectic in Montclair, and I'm not a fan of that. So I'm trying to think of a cute little restaurant I can go to and have a drink. I can go to the Cheesecake Factory, but I don't want to keep going. Can y'all see me? I don't want to keep going to the same places all the time. Like, I want to experience new things, so I kind of have to go to new places to experience new things. So I'm gonna see where I can find a little bar somewhere, maybe in this area. I'm sure, actually, I know that there's restaurants in South Orange where I live, so I need to look some stuff up and find a good little place where I can get a good little drink. But now I'm finna go hang out with Chi Chi. Let me send her my location. I'm gonna share my location with her. And I'm about to go to her house. We're about to go get a little drink and just vibe out, you know? Why not? It's Friday. Hello chat, and good afternoon. It is Juneteenth, June 19th, 2026. Friday, June 19th, 2026. Was Juneteenth on a Friday last year? I guess not, huh? I'm finna go to Ross real quick because I be seeing a lot of TikToks and they talking about they got gauchos at Ross. Now our Ross is a bit new, or I don't know how. Actually, I don't know how long that Ross has been there. It's new to me. I think it is new, cause I feel like I would have seen it before. Like the way that they talk about Ross, I'd be like, damn, I wish we had a Ross, and I just now noticed it this year. So I think it's new, if I'm not mistaken. I want to stop over there real quick. I do have a appointment to get my microneedling today, as I mentioned to y'all. I don't know if I mentioned it to y'all, but I'm about to go to Ross. I have that appointment at 4, and the thing about me and appointments, like when I have scheduled appointments, I can't do anything until that time, and I'm trying to break out of that. So I'm gonna go do something real quick, just go to Ross, because I was really fighting with myself, like, no, just stay in the house, because what if you blah blah, what if this, what if, girl, Ross is 15 minutes away. It's 12:24. I'm not gonna miss it. And I'm also trying to like maximize my time, because after I go get my microneedling, I don't even know how my face is gonna look. I keep seeing videos of like, but people getting microneedling, it's white girls and they face be red and all bruised up. Granted, my skin is a little sensitive, but I don't know how my skin is gonna take to it. Like, am I gonna be bruised up? I know I'm not gonna be able to wear makeup, which is fine. I'll probably just do lashes and mascara. That's fine. And Barbie like put makeup on the areas of my face that aren't being touched, which really is only my under eyes. So I'm like, what will I look like? Or I could put on some shades. Like, I'm trying to enjoy my Juneteenth. Last year I had fun, and this year I'm gonna have fun again. Like, I want to be outside. I want to be in New York. I want to be in New York, and I want to be outside, and I want to be at the block parties, and I just want to be, you know? Exactly. I'll see y'all. Y'all see me. And I'm about to order some nose rings, so BRB. Is it love? Is it love? If you don't cry, cry, cry. So we are here in Livingston. I just checked in and I filled out all my paperwork. And for today, we're doing microneedling under my eye. And they have like a specific serum that they're gonna use. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm not sure what everything entails, but I'll definitely ask some questions and we will see. When you first touch it, it feels like a little scratching, but the more you go, I don't feel it after that. Like, it's so, I thought it was gonna be way worse.
For some people it's more painful than for others. For me it's very painful, no matter how much numbing cream I put. I'm very sensitive to pain in general. And some people can tolerate it without any numbing cream. Prepare people for divorce.
Okay. Yeah, because at first I thought it was gonna hurt really bad, but it doesn't hurt at all. Like, it's just a little scratching feeling. I guess because it's the numbing cream. The left eye didn't feel anything. Maybe like when you got closer towards like my cheekbone area, but I guess because there's bone there. There's more bone there. I don't know. That wasn't bad at all. It's a little red, yeah, but I'll be okay. I'll put my sunglasses on when I get in a car. I don't know if I was able to record because my eyes were closed for the most part, but these are my results. I'm trying to back out of the sun. It's a little swollen. It's super numb. She said to expect swelling, expect some peeling. Like tomorrow it's gonna be swole, which I might actually like, because whenever my skin is swollen, my bags look like they don't exist. But this looks pretty freaking good. Like, this looks good to me. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it doesn't look bad at all. But I'm about to put my glass shades on, and then I'm gonna call Daryl to tell him that I'm not going to New York because China's not coming, which is fine, guys. Like, I don't mind not going out. Like, I'm the best person to cancel on because I will sit in the house or I will find something to do. It was less than I thought. I spent 200. I thought it was gonna be 250 or like 275, but it was 200 flat, which is not bad at all. I will be back, especially if let's see how I feel tomorrow and the next couple days when this swelling starts to really hit. We'll see how I feel. But so far so good. Like, no complaints. I'm finna charge my phone, get a treat or something, and then go home. Period. Top of the morning to you. Hey vlog. I feel like I'm always in the car, especially as of lately. I be on the move. I be having places to go, things to do, you know? I'm on my way to CVS. I need to get some sunscreen, and the CVS is the only place I know that has black girl sunscreen right now, like at this moment, that I need. I mean, Target does too, but I don't want to go all the way to Target. There's a CVS that's a mile away. So I'm en route, on my way to CVS, and the UV today is 7. I definitely want to get some tanning in, which is so funny because I just got my face microneedled. So that's why I'm going to get sunscreen, because I really need to make sure we protect our skin while we're frying in that sun. Because I just feel like with my hair color, a tan would eat down. And plus I have some hyperpigmentation on my face. You may or may not be able to see. It's starting to fade fantastically, thank the Lord. Ooh. But I need to put sunscreen on it so I don't make it any worse than it is, you know? So that's what we're finna do. They told me to get the black girl sunscreen because it doesn't leave a cast. Girl, this is a cast. I don't know what anybody else is talking about, but it looks gray. Like, I look gray. I ain't got no choice but to use it, but I'm gray. And I have like hyperpigmentation, so I'm really trying to clear that up. Thought that was dry skin, but there's definitely a cast. I definitely look ashy. Oh my god. My eyes are a little tiny bruised from the microneedling. Like, you can see this cast. Like, I asked ChatGPT if I can put sunscreen on the areas that were microneedle. It said usually it's not. Like, usually they don't want, like, even 24 hours after, they don't want you to put anything on it. So, yo, why are y'all playing with me? Level 7 index, we go tan. That's what I'm doing. I found me a spot. The pool deck is closed for 30 minutes, but it's okay. I found me a spot, and it's cushioned, it's soft. I'm good. Nobody was over here, so don't mind if I do. I'm making sure I protect my face. I got my glasses on, a hat, sunscreen. We're good. I'll see y'all on the darker side.